You're in my way, interfering.
I'm in a sidewalk.
Where?
I'm on a sidewalk, sir.
You're moving where?
I'm taking pictures of Mr. Davis.
Listen. You're moving where
I have the capability of taking pictures of my public servants.
You're interfering with my duties, sir.
You're in the street. Road pirates. Slow down! Everybody slow down! It's a cop! It's a cop! Slow down! Slow down!
Sir, you need to get out of the street.
I'm walking across the street right now, sir.
You're standing in the middle of it.
Do I have to keep continuous walk?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're in my way, interfering.
I'm in a sidewalk.
Moving where?
I'm on a sidewalk, sir.
You're moving where?
I'm taking pictures of Mr. Davis.
Listen. You're moving where
I have the capability of taking pictures of my public servants.
You're interfering with my duties, sir.
You're in the street. Sir, so you can break the rules but nobody else can? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. She's blocking the crosswalk, sir. You have, officer, you have cars blocking the crosswalk. Slow down! Slow down! Slow down!
As a citizen, you can take care of them.
Slow down! Slow down! This is all I'm doing is telling people to slow down so they don't get a ticket. So I'm doing what they should do. Instead of giving them a ticket, though, I'm just telling them slow down. They could very easily give them a warning. It's officer's discretion. Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! I'm allowed to be on a sidewalk and photo you during your course of your duty. This is where a good shot is. This is where I'm getting my good shot. This is where I can get my best view, you know what I'm saying? Slow down, slow down. Everybody slow down. Hey, I would say go to the store, get a big piece of cardboard and write "Cops ahead," and let's go a mile up the road. Yeah, let's go down there with a sign. Let some people know that they're doing road stops here. This is here at Garpin and TC Gesture. We need to let the community know what they're doing here, guys. Everybody's already having a hard enough time these days, and these officers get a kick out of just sitting out here and ticketing every person they can. You live in this community that you're extorting from? Do you live here? Or do you just go home in a different community where you don't extort money? He was saying that me standing on that sidewalk because I'm in the way of it is a criminal offense. A criminal offense to stand on the sidewalk and take a picture of a cop. Huh. All right. He's over there fishing right now is what he's doing. He's over there fishing through his little computer for anything he can get me for. Oh, get the radar gun and back to extorting. It's called passive aggressive, what you are. You know that, right? Slow down! 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 Everybody slow down! Slow down! You calling me names, sir? Did you just call me crazy to other people? Because I was recording you while you did it. Now I'm gonna have to file a formal complaint on you for disrespecting me while you're on fucking duty. Yeah, you're a freaking idiot is what you are. Slow down! Slow down!
What you're doing is a criminal offense.
How? Standing on the sidewalk filming you? Slow down. I'm gonna get a sign and go up there and tell everybody slow down. Is that a criminal offense?
Yes, it is.
How?
Interfering with police activity.
Oh, no, but by holding a sign? That's protected by free speech, sir. I have the right to say slow down to anybody I want.
Hey, wait, you ass. Pull right behind the black car.
Sure and go live. Y'all pass this around, share it with the whole world. These guys just rolled up, was speaking with the officers about us. Y'all are live on the internet, guys, just so everybody knows. Beautiful. Scanning from this little corner like a spider in the dark. And then they're walking out into the street and they're stopping people by hand, guys. They're stopping people by hand, flagging them down. I've watched him give out at least 20 tickets so far. Because he said that it was against the law, decided to go live for my safety. And I also have static footage of this dude telling other locals that I'm crazy. So he's personally insulting me while he's on the clock. This is Corporal Davis out of the Houston Police Department. We're out here at Garapan Street and TC Jester. Please, everybody, if y'all are on any kind of app where you can mark that there's a police stop to help the community, please mark it down that they're out here pulling the money from everybody. They've got a lot of tickets handed out so far, and this is fucked up. It's fucked up. Are you happy? Exactly. Why can't I exercise my First Amendment right? Why can't I document my public officials during the course of their duty? Right? He's trying to criminalize a legal activity. He's trying to make a legal activity illegal is what he's doing there, guys. He said that I'm hindering his investigation. I'm trying to get a good shot. Hey, I can't get a good shot. I can't get a good shot. Yeah. Okay, so now he's saying that they're gonna file charges on me at a later date. Sounds like threats, and he's already personally insulted me to other civilians. He's gone and told other civilians, not even speaking with the officer in private. He's telling public insulting remarks about me because I'm recording him. This is Officer Davis, guys, Officer M. Davis. He's a corporal. Feel free to redress your government. You have the right to do so. The name and badge number of this guy is M. Davis. This is out of the Houston Police Department. He's been very passive aggressive, insulting to the public. And this is Officer, what was your name?
Right here.
Printed right here. This is Officer Sawlani, Solany. And you're about to see him run into the street to stop a vehicle and give him another ticket. Even though he could very easily give him a warning, nobody's been hurt. I haven't seen any car wrecks here today. They've only been giving people tickets, no warnings. No warnings. And here we got another one. This is what they're doing, guys. Let it be known. If you know anybody in this community, please share it around. Share it on Facebook, share it everywhere. Let everybody know to slow down on TC Jester today. Don't go fast on TC Jester today, because they are making a buttload. They must be trying to get some new money for some new cruisers and stuff. So they're telling me by standing here like this and telling everybody slow down, that is interfering. But I've continued. And he's like, this whole thing's been on record. He threatened that I could possibly have charges brought against me in the future, is what he told me, actually. So he's telling me I have future charges possibly now. But that's weird, because if I was breaking the law, wouldn't I be under arrest? And you see, guys, I've been standing here. He's walking out to me. He's walking out to me saying I'm interfering with something. It's going, the camera's going, it's pointed down though. You'll get a way better perspective from my live feed. You see me here on the public sidewalk, guys. And this guy's standing in the road. If I was to stand in the road, actually when I first got here, he told me if I was to stop in the road, that it was against the law. And now here he is standing in the road, I guess breaking the law, according to his own words. So, as usual, guys, it's laws for thee and not for me. I can break the law, but you can't. Just pay me your money so I can go home and take my fish out of the water, treat my whole family like crap because I'm so stressed about my job every day. Share it to everybody in the community. Let's stop these tickets. Let's stop them from rolling these tickets in. Look, this car just had to go all the way into oncoming traffic lane because you're in his lane. Now you're impeding traffic, sir. You could have just caused an accident with that van. But you don't care about that, right? Just the next ticket. Sad, bro. Sad, sad day. Look at this guy. And he's got him another one. Another fish on the hook. Another fish on the hook. He's got two, he said. Oh, he double hooked one. He double hooked them. Two fish with one hook.